Karamihan ng sakit na meron tayo ngayon is mainly acquired sa pagtulog.
Yes, marami sa mga Filipino meron problema sa pagtulog. Research show like 1 out of 4 ng Filipino adult are suffering from obstructive sleep apnea. So pag hindi ka natutulog, in a long period of time, ang magiging problema mo dyan is naliles yung quality of life.
Itong pagtulog ang isa sa pinaka marami nating nagawa sa buong buhay natin.
50% actually.
And yet, most of the people is hindi sila nag-i-invest pagdating sa good quality sleep.
That's correct. There's no problem about having like short sleep, but meron kasi tinatawag tayo na quality sleep. Ibig sabihin nun, even if you're getting only 4 to 5 hours a night,
Pero quality.
pero quality yung sleep mo, that's solid. If you have a 6 hours or more of sleep, like solid sleep, na walang interruption, you can still function. But if you have obstructive sleep apnea and you're only getting 5 hours sleep, meaning that you're putting a lot of stress to your heart. So that's something that you need to address because sabi ko nga, if that's happening for a long period of time, ang tinitira niyan is yung puso natin.